The Siver E series straightening machines are used to repair car bodies with a weight of up to 3.5 tons. Installing the car on the stand is done by using the built-in lifting unit. One of the tower pumps is used to make it function. Connect the pump to the hydraulic cylinder. Lower the lifting unit in a vertical position. And take out the fixing pins from the rear support legs. Move the rear support legs upwards and smoothly lower the platform. The platform falls on bearing parts. There is a gap between the platform and the floor to prevent injuries to the feet. Establish gangways and roll the car onto the bench. In case the car cannot ride onto the bench by itself, you can use a winch. Raise the platform and fix the rear support legs with pins. Lower the platform to the legs. Remove the mouldings from the car's rockers. Lift one side of the car with a jack. Install the anchors under the rockers and lower the car onto them. Do the same again for the other side of the car. Fix the rockers in the anchors. Tighten the clamps at the anchors. Fix the anchors at the platform. move the tower to the location of the damage. Connect the pump that you used before working with the lifting unit. The system is ready to work.